tab. A couple tools for this. You're going to need a screwdriver with a T5 hex bit. That's to get off the bottom panel. And then you're going to need your little typical Phillips head once you get inside the unit to do an upgrade. And of course you're going to need your plastic pry tool and your pick. So let's get this started. You'll notice that these are long. These are long screws. In this case, or on this unit, these 4 are going to be long. These are all going to be short screws. Don't mess it up. They were like, dang, is this just my new Zenbook? Like, nah, man. Shorty screws. And it's going to be the same shorty screw. Same shorty screw. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to come in here on the hinge. Hit this lift technique right there. You see that, boy? And you're going to come in on this edge. You're going to start popping. Pop, 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 pop. Exactly. And once you get over here, you have to do a little bit of that. And then you're going to keep popping. Oh, look at that. Come around. Ooh, it's a beautiful thing, boys. It's a beautiful thing. So when you look at this, there's not a whole lot of upgradability here. Everything is pretty much soldered on, including your Wi-Fi adapter over here is all soldered on. So the only real upgrade that you have available on this unit is going to be your M.2, which is under this here. Get to that now. At this point, you're going to have to swap to your Phillips head. Get in here. As you can see, there's actually labeled what screw goes where, so keep that in mind. This 3.5mm screw needs to go in the back. These 2mm screws go up front. Like, oof, right? So if you look at that, that's a little heat pad, right? And that's going to be right where the controller is. When your heat pad was on this. And when you pull this up here, ooh, child, look at that. That's the controller. And if you come all the way over here, nice Intel 600p. So anyway, you're gonna come over here. Just gonna find that hole.
It appears there's a sticker there.
No, we just forwarded to warranty, boy. Bust it out. Bust it open like that, right?
Okay.
Put it in. It's gonna be at that very slight angle because it's a very small system, very flat. Because it's got the sticker on it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the battery. So if you look here,
Up.
Just
Good amount of board flex.
Just pops right out.
Yep.
And what you have here is your trackpad and your fingerprint scanner, all in one. It looks like. Hey, we did it.
Awesome.
And this is your speaker thing. Anyway, you'll see these little holes. They're gonna line up with these little guys there. Bloop. Look at that. That's easy to reattach. You just put it on there and bloop. Bloop. We come back in here with a million screws that I just took out. And you're gonna go back around. Back around. You know.
Do all these. Long screws right there.